In 300 meters, turn left.
Good morning.
This is us. Go, Oli and Erez.
For I hope you come again with open minds.
Pa more. Oh. Mas mahirap, no? Nice. And I can...
Someone can help you instead of dealing it on your own.
Right?
I-apply po namin ng mas maganda kasi.
Yun nga, ano yung sample mo yun? Example,
From time to time siguro, may adjust kayo sarili. Yeah.
okay na? Wow, salamat. The notes that you receive. Come on.
Pwede mawalan yung mga friendship ko.
Okay.